What can I do with the paper? Hi everybody, my name is Aria. Let's talk about the paper. What can I do with the paper? I put it down on the table.
Put down.
I turn around the paper.
Turn around.
I spin around.
Spin around.
Turn over.
Turn over.
Roll up.
Roll up.
I push the paper.
Push over.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Pick it up.
Pick up.
I place it down.
Place down.
Flatten out.
Flatten out.
Fold up.
Fold up.
I open it up.
Open up.
I set it down.
Set down.
I write down on the paper.
Write down.
Scratch out.
Scratch out.
Plan out.
Plan out.
Cover up.
Cover up.
Crumple up.
Crumple up.
Let it go.
Let go.
Count down.
Pound down.
Press down.
Press down.
Smooth out.
Smooth out.
Tear off.
Tear off.
Rip up.
Rip up.
I cut out the paper.
Cut out.
Cut out the paper.
Cut up.
I sort out the shapes.
Sort out.
I gather up.
Gather up.
I scoop up.
Scoop up.
Count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Counts down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stack up.
Stack up.
Pile up.
Pile up.
Gather together.
Gather together.
Mess up.
Mess up.
Clear away.
Clear away.
Bring back.
Bring back.
Line up.
Line up.
Pitch out.
Pick out.
Check it out.
Check out.
Ball up.
Ball up.
I threw them away.
Throw away.
If you like me, subscribe me.